Hey, seventh grade. So today your task is going to be going to IXL seventh grade and going down to Z4, which is cross sections of three-dimensional figures. And um, this one, I would like you to get at least a 90 because I feel like you can definitely do that. So this right here is a cross section, a 2D representation of a cross section. Yesterday we played with the Play-Doh, and that was something tangible that we could see and do. This, we have to understand what is happening in the picture. And so what's happening is this plane, we call that a plane, like a piece of paper or a credit card, is intersecting this solid, this washer here, at a 90-degree angle. This is perpendicular to, I guess, the table that it's sitting on or whatever. So where is the plane intersecting the donut? And so what does that intersection look like? Well, the plane itself is rectangular. So isn't rectangle the answer? No, definitely not. Because we're not looking at what's the gray space, what's the intersection of the gray space and the donut. It's not a triangle. I don't even know why that's there. It does intersect in two different places. And those intersections, so if I cut this, like if the plane, if that gray rectangle were a knife blade, and I cut this right here, and I spread apart the two halves of the donut, what shape would I see? Would I see two little pentagons? Or would I see two little circles? Well, I would see two little circles. See, watch. Ta-da! This one. So if I have this pyramid and I cut it down the middle, using, again, this shady plane here, where would that, or what shape would be exposed? And so is it an oval, a circle, a triangle, or this weird looking quadrilateral? Well, the point of yesterday's exercise was to be able to relate this to something physical, because, right now it's you having to manipulate this inside your brain. And that's something that needs to be developed. It's not just something that happens overnight. So that does kind of need to be developed. So if you need to get out your Play-Doh and kind of see, if I chop here, what shape is this going to make, then do that. Otherwise, if you've got it, then we know that, let's see, if I cut here and I open this up, then this is going to be a triangle. And I'm not very comfortable using that pen, but let's see, up here, over there, back that way, that is a triangle. And so there we go. And so that's kind of what we can think about here. So this is perpendicular to the base, right? It says assume that they are if they look like it. So no tricks here. If you were to saw the top off of a cone, what shape would be left here? Would it be a squishy circle or a regular circle? I doubt that it would be anything with right angles or harsh corners at all. So that's what you need to be thinking about. So what I need you to do is I need you to get up to at least 90 on your SMART score, and you need to get a screenshot that has your score, your name, and some kind of acknowledgement that this is the correct section. And so just a full page screenshot of this right here would be just fine, as long as you were up to at least 90%. Okay, so that is your task for today. You guys have a great rest of the day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.